Okay, so today's video is a little bit personalized video and I need your help, I need your views, I need your comment. Technically, I need your advice on this, how the content of this channel should grow in this year. So, those who are new to this channel, we post two type of contents on the channel. One is ICU shorts, which are 60 to 90-second clips, short clips in which we explain a concept and we try to squeeze the content in those 60 to 90 minutes, and we simplify it so that the concept or theoretical part is conveyed directly to you without wasting any time. And the other part of the content is the longer videos, which can be range from 5-6 minutes to longer versions, maybe up to 60 to 90 minutes also, long lectures. Now, I have been receiving many requests on the channel that we need more longer videos on the channel. So what we were doing till now is we were posting ICU shorts on a daily basis, both on the YouTube and on the Instagram. And on the YouTube we post longer videos in between, somewhere around 3 or 4 per month, maybe less at times. But ICU shorts from this year on 2025, from 1st Jan, we are posting it daily, and they have been receiving very good comments and feedback on that. So we are posting ICU shorts daily on YouTube and Instagram, and we are posting longer videos with very less frequency, somewhere around 3 or 4 per month. But the request which I am receiving is we want more longer videos on a daily basis. So I recently conducted a poll on the channel where we posted that whether you require daily ICU shorts or require daily longer videos more at the cost of ICU shorts. So this is the poll result you can see on the screen. So 2/3 of the people said that we want a little bit longer videos, and 1/3 say that no, ICU shorts are on daily basis we require. Now the reason between these two forms of content is that the difference between is in ICU short we convey the theoretical aspect or we reply to your comments in those 60 to 90 seconds. I don't get time in that to connect with you, to share my experience, to share a clinical scenario. While in the longer form of videos, I get a little bit more time to connect with you, to combine that theoretical concept with the clinical case which we are seeing on daily basis, and we can join the link between two. This is a theory and this is how we did it and what was the result, or share a little bit more about the clinical cases or your experience, or which the member sent cases to me in a more easy way, because I don't have the constraint of time in it. Not 60 to 90 seconds, a little bit more time, maybe 5 or 6 minutes. So, but if we post longer videos, then they will be more on the YouTube. I don't know how they will be posted on Instagram. You will not see on those reel section. You will get somewhere on the post section, the longer videos. That's the challenge. But on YouTube, they will be available. So my question is, the advice which I need is whether you people want us to continue like the present one only, daily ICU shorts and 3 or 4, maybe once a week a long video like that, 5-6 minute video, or maybe a longer video, or you want longer videos on daily basis at the cost ki ICU shorts can be a little bit less, which I usually use to reply to your comments. So that's the advice I need. I request each one of you to please give a thought on it, then post your opinion in the comment. Whatever you come in my mind, it will help me a lot. It will help the ICU channel and ESBICM a lot to plan the sessions for later on. And one more thing, on the ESBICM app or the ESBICM members, which you can go on the details on ESBICM org. I'm still reviewing the last part of the ESBICM app. Some sections are still needs to be reviewed to get developed. Once they are done, we'll be organizing the Zoom classes on it for our members, free of cost, obviously. So go on esbicm.org and apply for your membership. It is free of cost. So you can do that. All the details are there on the ESBICM org. So in a month or two, we'll be starting the Zoom classes for the members. It's free of cost. But again, my questions remain the same. Whether you want the ICU short to continue like this on daily basis and once a week a long video, or you want a longer videos with a more personalized experience discussion, maybe it's a casual one, maybe my room or in the hospital or anywhere from where I can make. So you want those more sort of videos on a daily basis, and ICU short can be a little less. So please post your comment, please give a thought, please post your comments in the comment section. It will help me a lot, it will help the channel a lot. Thank you, and see you soon in the next video.